Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to test network speed on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone and in the search bar, just search network speed test. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, tap on next and tap on continue. Now just select while using the app. Now give this app these permissions. Now just tap on next and tap on allow all the time. Now go back and tap on continue. Now from here to test the network speed, just tap on go. Now from here, just tap on turn on. Now just tap on allow. Now as you can see, it is testing the download speed of our network. Now from here, it is testing the upload speed of our network. Now as you can see, this is how you can test the network speed on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.